god! I thought it. Hello Stu'stechtIes, today we're going to find out if DIY Wi-Fi extenders actually work. Why? Because I'm interested in it. I think you should be interested in it too, and if you're not interested, well, I'm interested for the both of you, so that's what we're going to be doing, testing out this. And that's all I've got to say, so let's crack on with the video. So if you put in Google how to extend my Wi-Fi using DIY methods, you'll get something along the lines of this, which is really just, it's just a soda can, a soft drinks can, over the antennae of your router. Now this is an old router, just for illustration purposes only, but I will be testing this method out here, and also this method here, which seemed to be the most popular on Google. Personally, I don't think it will make much difference, but that's why I'm testing it. I am totally intrigued. I'm sure you're intrigued too. Well, if you're not intrigued, I'm intrigued enough for the both of you. Or the both of us. So what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be doing a control test. I'm going to be doing a test right outside my router to give you a control. And then I'm going to go way out into the street, right opposite my neighbours, so it's going to be somewhere where I get really weak Wi-Fi. I'll give you a control test from there, and then I'll try out this one here. I'm going to actually get two of these, and then I'm going to be trying out this one here to see if there is indeed any truth to the rumours or the myth. It's going to be fun. Okay, just for your information, I use an Orbi mesh Wi-Fi system, and I'm going to be taking all my mesh Wi-Fi down. Yes, so I'm only going to have one router, just the one. It's going to be in my living room where it normally is, and that's all it is. So that's my setup, one router. I still think the best for you going forward, if you want Wi-Fi round about your house, is a mesh Wi-Fi system. But if you can't afford that, and let's face it, who really can, because it's really, really expensive, then maybe you want to try this out just for a laugh. Who knows? Right, so let's get on with the test. So here we are here. This is my Orbi router. For the sake of this video, I've put it out a little bit so it looks a little bit out of place there, but you get the idea. So I'm going to be using my trusty old Note 4 for this, and we're just going to do a little speed test right now to give us our control. There we go, so it's 385 download and 21.4 upload. Not too shabby. Right, let's go outside. Right, we're out in the street. And we're off. .6 download and 37. That's pretty good actually. Let's see if we can get it any better. Right, the first method we're going to use is the cans. So I'm just going to put these tins behind it just to give it the best chance. Gotta be honest, I'm not really thinking this is going to do any good whatsoever. The antennae on this is round about there. Right, let's go outside again. Here goes. Oh my god! Who would have thought it? 286.9. Amazing! Okay, next we're going to try is this method. Looks pretty nifty. Right, we've got 282 to beat. Okay, let's go. Oh my god! 177 download and 37 upload. Amazing! Right, I really want to test that again. I think we can beat it. Let's see. OMG! 260! 260 download and 37 upload. That is... I'm speechless. I'm just going to try the control again. Mind blown. That is consistent data. Oh my god, that is so consistent. Who would have thought it? I cannot believe that. I was the first to say that that would never actually work. But the results are in. Wow. Okay, without any sort of DIY extender, I took 2 tests, 87.8, and then just to be sure I did it again, I got 91.6. These are downloads. Upload was 36.9 and 37 respectively. So that is consistent data. I then used the soda can, or the juice, the canned juice as we'd call it here. I get 260 download and then 37 upload. That is unbelievable. That's like what, over twice, almost, well, three times the speed. And then I tried the aluminum foil, as the Americans would call it, we'd call it kitchen foil route. 177 download and 37 upload. And then I thought, hey, I'm going to try that again, see if I can get a better result. 282 download and 36.9. Again, that's 3 times. No, let's get this right. Twice, almost 3 times the speed that it would get without it. That's just wow. There you go. There you go. So all these little stupid things you see on Google, some of them you can actually believe. That's amazing. Amazing. Try it out for yourself. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried it out and see what kind of results you get. So there you go. If you're struggling to extend your Wi-Fi system and you're on a budget and you don't mind little metal thingies round about your router, then that's the way to go. You can definitely get results. Brilliant. Fantastic. So if you like this kind of video, please leave a like. If you think this video was an absolute piece of crap, then big thumbs down. Thank you very much for watching. All my social links will be in the description. If you want to subscribe to this channel, please do so. Click the little icon in the corner of the screen and click that bell. But let's face it, the system is pretty much broken. So what I suggest is looking at the subscription tab on your homepage or on your app. And that way you'll see all your YouTubers that you're subscribed to and all the new videos. And I should be there. If you're subscribed to me, any new videos will be there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're all well. Stay frosty. Bye-bye.